Alright, so here we're going to explain some of the operations that are available in JavaScript. And these are also the type of operations that are available in most programming languages. It's just that they're implemented a bit differently. Alright, so to start off with, I'm going to create some variables. We're going to do var x is equal to 21, and var y is equal to 17. Okay, so addition's easy. It's just plus sign. Subtraction, minus sign. Multiplication is an asterisk. Exponentiation is 2 asterisks. It's a pretty large number. So that would be 21 raised to the 17th power. There's, modulus, which is remainder after division. So it would be 21 divided by 17, so it goes in one time, for remainder of 4. So that's modulus. Yeah, and then I guess, yep, so those are the basic arithmetic operators. We also have comparison operators. So we'll do x is equal to y. And these will return a Boolean, so Boolean false. So because they're not equal. Note we can't use single equal here because equal is used for variable assignment. So you need to differentiate them, so you just use a double equals. You can also do by type, which we'll look at in a minute. Let's look at some other operations first. So x is less than, we'll just do is less than 25. That's true. X is greater than 10. True. And there's also obviously greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Not equal to is exclamation point or exclamation and then equals and then whatever. So if we did 21, that's false because it is 21, and anything but 21 would return true. So those are your comparison operators. Let's look at comparison that includes the data type. So I'm going to create a variable var x1, and we'll set that equal to 3. And then we'll do var x2, and we'll set that equal to 3, but as a character string as opposed to a number. So if we do equals now, on those, we get back true, but that doesn't take into account the data type. So if we do a triple equals, that takes into account data type, and now it turns into a false, because they're the same value, but one's not numeric and the other one is a string. Okay, so we also have the logical operators. So let's look at that. So let's go back to our x and y values. So we'll do x is, this is 21, so we'll do x is greater than 10. And then and that's a double. And then we'll do x is less than 25. So 21 is greater than 10, less than 25, so that returns true. If we set it as 19, then we're going to get, x is less than 19. Remove the operator there. And we get false because that both statements aren't true. Or, let's recall that. That's or. So it just has to meet one of the do criteria, but it doesn't have to meet both. And then we have not. So x is greater than 10, but it's not. But x is not. We'll do 21. Hope that did not work. Oh, yeah, we need an operator in there. So, sorry, we have to do not x is equal to 21. That should have worked. Oh, I'm sorry. Not equal to. Yeah, we have to combine that with equal to, right? So this is false because it is greater than 10, but it's equal to 21, so it doesn't meet the second criteria. That's the idea. Okay, so those are some of the basic operators, mathematical operators that you'll see in JavaScript, and again, they're surrogates in most other programming languages.